Today our topic is nervous tissue or neural tissue. So as the other tissues, the nervous tissue or the neural tissues are also made up of cells, the nerve cells, and the unit of nervous tissue or the nerve cell is termed as neuron. So what is the unit of the nervous tissue or the neural tissue? Neuron is the unit of the nervous tissue or the neural tissue. Now what is its function? Basically the nervous tissue controls and integrates the activities of various parts of the body. Its main function is conduction and integration. It occurs in brain, spinal cord and the nerves. Now the unit of nervous tissue is neuron or nerve cell or nerve fibers. Now what are neurons? Neurons are specialized for the conduction of nerve impulses. They receive the stimuli from within or outside the body and conduct impulses which travel from one neuron to the other neuron. So what they are doing, they are specialized for the conduction of the nerve impulse. Now they receive the stimulus from the outside. First they are receiving the stimulus, next they are conducting the stimulus to the brain or the spinal cord, and then again the feedback is coming from the brain and spinal cord through this nervous system to the effector, which travel from one neuron to another neuron. So one neuron means the nerve cell. So obviously the nervous tissue is made up of the nerve cells. So the conduction of this impulse or the impulse is going on from one neuron to the other neuron or from one nerve cell to the other nerve cell. Now what is the structure of the neuron? So here I have drawn the diagram, and here I have also written that the nervous neuron structure means the neuron we can divide into three parts: cyton or the cell body, dendron and axon. Okay, so here it is the cyton, full this one is the axon. Okay, and these are the dendrons. From the cyton which are arising, those are the dendrons. So first cyton or cell body is star shaped. Its cytoplasm is called neuroplasm. The cytoplasm of the cell body is called neuroplasm. This yellow portion is the neuroplasm and has a large nucleus. Several nasal granules and fine thread-like neurofibrils are present. These small dots are the nasal granules. So this one is the cyton portion. This yellow part is the cytoplasm of that nerve cell. So this is termed as the neuroplasm, and a number of nasal granules and thread-like neurofibrils are present inside it, and the nucleus is also present inside of the cyton. Now what is dendron? Dendrons are hair-like structures or extensions of the cyton. They receive impulses from the axon and convey them towards the cyton. So these are the dendrons. From this cyton, the star shape, these are arising, these are the dendrons. These are the small extension which are there, which are arising from the cyton, and what they are doing, they receive impulses from the axon. Here one nerve cell, again another one is starting, one is ending, another one is starting. So what they are doing, the dendrons are receiving the impulses from the previous neuron and they are carrying the impulse towards the next neuron. Now axon. The axon is a long cylindrical structure that arises from the cyton. Axon shows fine branching at the terminal end. Each branch ends in a swallowing structure called synaptic knob. The axon carries impulses away from the cell body to the other neuron. These are the cyton, this is the cyton, these are the dendrons. From the dendrons which are arising, these structures are termed as dendrites. See, I have written here dendrites. These are the dendron, these are the dendrites. And this one is the axon portion which is arising from the cyton. And what is the function of this axon? It is just taking the impulse from cyton and conduct the impulse to the next dendron or cyton. Now here the end of the axon, the endings are there, some branches are there, and each branch is consisting of a knob-like structure, that is the synaptic knob. The axon carries impulses away from the cell body to the other neuron. The axon carries the nerve impulses from the cell body away from the neuron to the next neuron. Now function of the neural tissue. The dendrites receive impulses and the axon propagate from the cell body, and nerve cells are specialized for communication between the various parts of the body and the integration of the activities. Mainly they are coordinating the function of the whole body. Okay, so the main thing is here that the neural tissue or the nervous tissue is made up of neuron. The parts of neuron, the parts we can divide into three parts. The structure of neuron, it can be divided into three parts: cyton, dendron and axon. First one is cyton or cell body, the star-shaped portion. Next, the cylindrical portion is the axon, and dendron is where from the cyton some extensions are there, those are the dendrons. So what is happening? Here a number of nerve cells are present. Here one is ending, again another one is starting. So dendrons are receiving the impulses from the previous neuron and just conduct the impulse to the next neuron. Again what axon is doing, axon is taking the impulse from the cyton and just conduct to the next neuron. Now the last means the endings of the axons are there. They are branched, and each branch is consisting of a knob-like structure, that is called synaptic knob.